Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. It has been a while since I have been in this room. This was the room where I would film my segment of the Monday night live streams on HBO, Horsepower Obsessed channel. But today we are talking about a brand new product from AMT Custom Designs right here. We're going to talk more about this. We are also going to talk about why I like AMT, their products so much. Stay tuned. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick. A few of the AMT custom products that I have right here is the front Frunk insert right here, and they did put the Front Seat Driver logo on there, and that looks absolutely fantastic. And then this right here is the upper. The lighting today, the sun was covered up a minute ago, made it look perfect. And as soon as, of course, I'm ready to go, then it decides it's going to clear up. But that's pretty much par for the course. But one thing I had to do was go ahead and black out the bow tie. So I think these things turned out absolutely fantastic. But let's go ahead and check out in here. Let's look at the door sills right here in carbon fiber, and it even has my logo on it. And check it out, it is embossed in here, so it is absolutely fantastic. This is not a decal, it is underneath the clear coat. But these are also available from AMT Custom Designs. And then of course, you know, the engine bay. Everybody loves that. The tonneau covers, I actually have new tonneau covers coming very soon. They are being made right now, and so those will be coming soon. So of course I'll show you those when we get them. The clear engine cover right here, and yes, I have had this on while I've been on the track. I've had it in general driving. I've had it for probably over a year, and I've had no issues. I know a lot of people have asked me, well, have you had any issues with it? Honestly, no, I sure haven't. And so anyway, also have the engine intake cover right here. Has the Stingray on there, Corvette, that is also from AMT Custom Designs, both of those products. These covers right here with the grills, those were also from AMT Custom Designs. I do have something that goes in the trunk. I don't have it in there right now, but they do have a leather trunk cover that is absolutely magnificent. Love that product. But that's what we got so far, and there's possibly something I'm missing, but what we have coming today, and I'm going to go do a close-up on this thing because it is absolutely a fantastic product, is the coolant right here. There's a cover for it that's going to, you know, right now it's just kind of black, doesn't really match. You can see the cheap, it looks like cheap plastic. I'm sure it's not cheap plastic, you know, but nonetheless, you see the plastic on there. We're going to go ahead and cover that up, and it says Vet Syndicate, and I really want you to see this up close, so we're going to check that out, but let's go look at it right now. All right, guys, so we're going to go here to my workbench. How many of you guys remember this car? The C7Z06 Corvette Racing Yellow. Honestly, I love this car. I really love this car. It's why I still have it. I don't drive it a ton, but man, I got to tell you, I still absolutely love this car. Maybe we do a video before too long, kind of comparing the two. But check it out. This is it right here. This is made of aluminum, and it is the cover for the coolant. Man, this is going to look fantastic on there. And I have enough, you know, front seat driver stuff on my car already. You know, I figured let's go ahead and just put Vet Syndicate on there. Get a few more Vet Syndicate products on here. But look at this. This is painted on and covered up, or you know, at least it's however they applied it. It's underneath this clear coat, and so it doesn't peel off. And my goodness, that thing is absolutely beautiful. We're going to peel and stick it on just like so many other things on here. But my goodness, I got to be honest with you. What I was going to tell you before about AMT Custom Designs is the products. They're absolutely just the highest of quality. I know with carbon fiber, there can be a lot of issues because they don't let it cure long enough. AMT doesn't have that problem because I will say sometimes they take a little bit longer to get you what you want, but that's because they take the time to do it right. They're not just trying to make another sale and rush it out the door. So let me tell you, their products I have found to be absolutely impeccable. I can absolutely represent them and tell you that their stuff is magnificent. But let's go ahead and get it. We got to take off the cover. I got to tell you, this has never been the funnest thing in the world. I believe there's 16 of these T15 screws right here that we're going to have to pull. So let's go ahead and we're going to get those pulled. I'm going to pull the cover off. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. It's been a while since I've cleaned it off from the underneath. And then we're going to get this nice coolant cover installed, and then we're going to put everything back and we're going to see what it looks like. right, so the next step is we're gonna go ahead and wipe this area down right here with isopropyl alcohol to kind of clean this area up, because we are going to be sticking this with the double-sided tape to 5 different sections here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will all have the double-sided tape sticking down to hold it in place. Honestly, I did a test fit. I don't think it was that important, but obviously we're gonna go ahead and put it anyway. So let's do that now. So as you can see, I said there were 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna go ahead and pull them off and get it stuck in place. All right, so here we go. Got the backing of the double-sided tape off. Just gonna slide this in right here over that cap and to the back. I'll make sure the other side is right. And it is. And we're just going to press this into place. And voila, it is done. And looks much better than the plastic that was up here before. Next step is for us to get the glass back on, and then we're going to take a look at the final product. All right, guys, so here it is. The aluminum coolant intake cover is installed, along with all of the rest of the pieces to this puzzle. And I really think the engine bay is coming along fantastic. I did have to remove the AMT Custom Designs sticker that I had, and I really liked it. It went along here, so we are gonna get some different AMT stickers to put somewhere on here, because I really want everybody to know who the manufacturer is, because again, I feel like the engine bay has really turned out fantastic, and it can be challenging with a coupe. I mean, with a convertible as opposed to the coupe, which is much easier to be able to access and see. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. We are looking very forward to our next car show. Anyway, that's going to do it for today, you guys. I hope everyone has a great week, and thank you for watching.